Hello, I'm Chris, this is Gross Models, and a very, very warm welcome back to building the Ecto-1, the Ghostbusters car. This is issue 17, but stage 59. If you're unaware of how these part works work, this and the Enterprise work in a slightly different way to everything else. Actually, the same as the Eleanor works now. Basically, there's one magazine that covers the 4 issues, the 4 stages that we've got. What I tend to do is have a look through the magazine in the issue that I feel is probably the shortest build time to keep the series similar run time for each. It doesn't work that way, but sometimes it does. So in this pack, in this stage 59, we're building the what does it say? It's the signal and distribution and I don't know. We're building some boxes. Then in the next issue, we're putting the boxes together and linking them onto the main bodywork. And then 61 and 62 are the same, but either side. We're doing the side panels for the back of the car, the inside side panels with the speakers. So yes, this is all I'm doing on this issue, so hence looking at the magazine first. So that's that. We're just putting the sides in, putting the box lid on, only on one of them. I'm not sure why. The next time we're building another little box and then putting them all together like that and fitting them onto the floor panel that we've already got. And then we're putting on a side panel, and then we're putting on a side panel. So either of those are probably going to be pretty quick as well, but you know, we'll have a look through. We're looking at Michael Enton. I don't remember. He's obviously, he was the hotel manager. I recognise him now from the picture. I don't recognise him from anything else. So obviously, yeah, there we go. That's all of that now. Ooh. That's that. The Ghost Jogger. It does astound me, all of these, the work that goes into a 5-second scene. But, you know, it's all motion captured and filmed on blue screens and makeup and everything for that. And you can't see him, but there we go. The effort that's gone into making that one little bit. I mean, the big bits, yes, I understand putting a lot of effort into that, but the effort that goes into the small behind-the-scenes things really does astound me. So there we have Mr. Stay Puft, obviously, there. Cover stars, yes. Graphic design, again, little incidental things that I've got in miniature form to flesh out my build. But yeah, it's again little stuff that I don't even see in the film, but obviously they put in for that. Ecto 101 monthly list of things that make Ghostbusters great. Number 17, the pneumatic railway. I don't know about that. Next time, let's play the Can I Guess What's What. I think these are the runners for the inside of the back bit where the proton pack rack goes. Don't know about the rest of it though. Looks like some wires there maybe. I know we're not far away from locking it all up and starting on the outside, so I'm looking forward to that. But there we get the graphical design, the monochrome images of all the parts supplied this time. So let me get this out of the way and we'll get the first part built. So here we have the parts, one pack of screws supplied today, which we're going to be using 4 of. We've got these side panels, which all look to be identical. I can't see any differences between any of those. They will slot into both of these things. This is the lower part, which is the first one that we're going to be doing. They just slot in like that. There we go. On both sides. It does have to be the right way up. It doesn't actually show you, but if you put it in that way up, then it won't fit into the bit properly. There is an undercut there, as you can see. So that goes in there like so. And then we have the top of that, which will go on the top, where the top normally goes. 4 screws to hold that together. And that's all of the screws that I need to do at the moment. So that one will be kept safe for later. Let's see, again, this is symmetrical, so we'll go on either way round. Make sure they locate over there, like that. One, opposite one in as well. Right, I'll get the rest in behind the scenes. We've got to slide these into that one. This is the top section, apparently. You've got some detail on the side there. Oh, if I can get that lined up, we'll go together. Come on. That's not lining up. That looks okay. Doesn't look like there's any extra flash or anything causing a problem there. Just me not getting it lined up properly, I think. So there we have that. So that is the lower side. This is the top side, which will go on it much like that. And I assume that obviously then will go onto the top as well. So that is that. We're not putting them together yet. We're just leaving it like that, as the picture shows. So I'll get these last couple of screws in, and that will be this issue complete. So I shall see you very soon for the next one, where we're doing some more stuff with these anyway. So thanks for watching. Stay safe. See you soon. Bye-bye for now. Aha, I return because I was wrong. It isn't that way up. It is, in fact, that way up, with the notch bits at the top, because I had it in the other way around and the lid didn't go down fully on that side, whereas you can see that side does, whereas that side, where I haven't reversed it yet, doesn't. So reverse them around, get it back the right way around. If you're doing this after me, do it right. Don't do it wrong. Don't be me. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye bye for now.